So when we look at the assignment, it says Jenny scored 27 correct answers in a test of 40 questions. What fraction of answers were incorrect? An example like this would be the James was traveling a journey of 420 kilometers. His car broke down after 280 kilometers. What fraction of his journey did he still have to travel? So they are very similar. So we're going to use this question as an example. James was traveling a journey of 420 kilometers. So the total journey is 420. Okay. His car broke down after 280 kilometers. What fraction of his journey did he still have to travel? So we have to get the amount that he still have to travel. All right. We have to calculate the amount for the distance that he still have to travel. The distance that he still have to travel would be the remainder, would be what he remains to travel. That would be equal to the difference, right? That would be equal to the difference between 420 and 280. And that's how much? 140. So that's the amount, that's the distance he remains to travel. Now remember we said that the fraction now is made of a numerator and a denominator part over total. The numerator and the denominator, the part and the total. So the part that he still have to travel, the part that he still have to travel is 140, and the total distance you have to travel is the 420. Reduced to the simplest terms, we have to look at the highest common factor between 140 and 420. So it has been identified that the highest common factor between 420 and 140 is the 140 itself, because as you can clearly see, 140 can go into 420 3 times without leaving a remainder. So 140 divided by 140, 420 divided by 140. So that's 3 over 4. So it says what fraction of his journey did he still have to travel? He still have to travel 3/4 of the journey. And as we can clearly see, there's a slight error there. How can he have 3/4 remaining to travel? And he just have a little 140 remaining. So 140 divided by 140 is 1, not 3. Right. So he has a 1/4 remaining to travel, a little 140 out of the 420. Okay. No, 1/3. 1/3. Right. Because 420 divided by 140 is 3. So he has 1/3. He traveled 2/3 already. So you're missing 1/3. Okay. Which is 140 kilometers. 1/3 of the 420. So the answer is 1/3.